What's up, guys? This is everything we sold this weekend. It wasn't a very good weekend. I really haven't been listing much lately, so it's my own fault. But hey, let's see what we sold. We sold a Hailstorm CD. Figure out where I put it. I listed this thing a long time ago. The best thing is, I got this Hailstorm CD. There it is. It was a free sampler from FYE. I just picked it up for free. I should have grabbed a lot more. I don't know why I didn't. I never opened it up and never played it. But so like I said, I got it for free, and I sold it for $16 today. Well, while we're over here, I sold this Tony Stewart all over print. I bought this the other day for $1.99, and we sold it for $29.99 in just a few days. It was all over NASCAR prints, sell really well. We just picked up a couple real nice ones recently. Like I said, normally I don't buy kids shirts, but whenever you see this one, you'll know why I bought it. But you know what? I've sold kids shirts. I mean, if you guys have been watching the channels, you see every once in a while, you know, I'll get $20, $30, $40 for a kid's shirt. You know, you just never know. But if it's cool enough, I'll buy it. And a lot of times, some of the places I go to, you know, they only charge like 50 cents for like kids' clothes. So this one here might be it. Pretty sure it is. But it's a LA Raiders, back when they were in Los Angeles. I think that was, can't remember, it was 83 or 93. I think it was 93. But has Taz on it. Like I said, it was a kid's shirt. I paid 50 cents for it at a thrift store, and we sold it for $29.99, I believe. Actually, we sold that shirt for $32.49, so we got good money for that one. I love it when you sell stuff so fast, you don't even have time to put it away. I picked these up a couple days ago at a thrift store. They were brand new with tag, Levi's. I think I paid $4 for them maybe, and we sold them for $36.99. And what we'll do, we'll see if they fit in one of these, and it will cost us $6 and like 79 cents to send it to them. All right, we sold Corvette Summer. This also came from that lot that I bought from that collector the other day. They sold me all the Blu-rays. I also paid $1 for this. And we sold it for $15.99. He always sells me good stuff. Girls, girls, girls. There we go. Elvis Presley. It's used. I paid $1 for it at a pawn shop. We sold it for $9.99. Final Fantasy 360. Lightning Returns. We paid $2.99 for this at Family Video. Actually, it was 2 for $5. So I got it for $2.50. And we sold this for $18.99. We sold The Principal. This is a great movie. If you guys haven't seen this movie, you need to watch it. I love this movie. This one is opened, and we sold the used copy for $23.74. We paid $1 for it. Actually, that came from the collector also. All right, we sold it used. Man, this could be anywhere. I don't remember. I did this a long time ago. It was somebody called Mark May, I think. I never heard of him. Only Mark May I know works for ESPN. There we go. Mark May doll maker. We paid 50 cents for this at Peddler's Junction a long time ago. And we sold it for $18.88. We sold a Blind Side DVD. Glad I'm making some room in here because I got too many movies in there right now. I need some space. There's Blind Side right there. It's new. We ended up buying this at Peddler's Junction for, not Peddler's Junction, but at a flea market for $2. I knew it was out of print, so I didn't mind paying $2 for it. We sold it for $24.99. Walk. It's about walking across Egypt. This is another one that I bought at the same place. It was $2 at flea market, and it's brand new, and I sold it for $24.99. We sold this Major Harris signed football. He's a college football Hall of Famer, played for WVU. He also acted in 2 of my movies. He's a good friend of mine, so whenever we have him for appearances, we go ahead and have him sign extra stuff. That way, you know, we can sell it and make a little bit of money, you know, for the expenses and stuff for having him come in. But we sold that. I think I paid $10 for that football, and I sold it for $44 shipped. 38 special. There it is right there. Tour de Force. We paid $1 for this at Peddler's Junction. What did we sell it for? Sold it for 12 bucks. I knew we couldn't have a day without going to the albums. We sold an autograph. It's from the movie The Craft, which was a really good movie. The girl's name is Rachel True, I believe. I'm gonna have to go back and watch this movie again. I haven't seen it for so long. But it's autographed by her. We paid, I think we paid $5 for this, and we sold it for $18.88. All right, guys, that's everything we sold this weekend. Hopefully you guys had a better weekend than me. It was all right, but I could have sold a little bit more stuff, but hey, that's the way it goes, man. I'll show you guys some stuff that I bought this week. I think it was yesterday. No, it was this morning. I bought these 2 pairs of Wranglers. They're new with tags. They're the heavy-duty like work pants. I saw I can get about $33 for them. I paid $5 a piece for them, so those should be all right. I also bought this Harlem Globetrotters jersey there today. And a couple days ago, I picked this up. And this is a nice one, all over print, Jeff Gordon. It's never been worn, you can tell. It's crisp. Anyway, I looked, there was no solds on this, but there's one current for like $129. I think I'll probably put mine at like $119 or something. But it was nice. And I also picked up a Viagra Mark Martin muscle shirt, just because I've never seen the muscle shirts, and I always like the Viagra stuff. Then I got this all over print. It's only a 2006, but it's an all over print. I'll probably get $30 for this one. And then these are just, they're not as nice, but they're like mid 2000s stuff. We got a single stitch Destination shirt. We got a long necks and rednecks shirt. We got a vintage Graceland shirt we picked up today. Picked up that starter Penguins jersey I listed last night. So I just got to start listing. Here's something we picked up for like $3. Looks like it's from the 80s or 90s. It's probably like the 80s. I just thought it was cool because it was still new. I'll probably list it for like 25, 30 bucks. It's a sports pouch, waterproof, and it floats. These things up, I remember back in the day when I was younger, And these kind of pictures were the rage. I don't know what they're worth. I can't find any comps on them. I paid up on them. I paid like $4 a piece for them. They're made in USA. They're still new. I don't know. But I give it a shot. I might have to use my 25% off coupon, so I saved a little bit of money. Well, since my name's MediaMarauder, I guess I should show you some media that might sell. If you're out and about and you see this Dutch DVD, make sure you pick it up. It's out of print, and used copy goes for 30 to 40 bucks. So if you're out and about, pick it up. I picked one up yesterday and I haven't listed it yet, but they usually don't take very long to sell either. They sell pretty fast.